How in the world is the White House supposed to plan for such a massive undertaking? Believe it or not, the planning actually starts right after Election Day. Traditionally, once the race is called and it's clear who the winner is, the White House will begin working with the incoming administration. The person in charge of this process is the White House Chief Usher. The White House Chief Usher oversees roughly 100 butlers, maids, chefs, housekeepers, engineers, and other staff serving the first family at the executive residence. After the election, the Chief Usher will send questionnaires to the incoming president's transition team, which will want to know everything from what kind of foods the president likes to what kind of toothpaste he uses. Additionally, the Chief Usher will work hand in hand with the incoming First Lady to begin decorating her new home. Because the White House is like a living museum, it has accumulated several hundred years' worth of artifacts, furniture, artwork, and other presidential memorabilia. Though some of these priceless artifacts are on site at the White House, most of the collection is housed in a large storage facility in Maryland. It is customary for the First Lady to pick whatever pieces she desires from the collection to help decorate and furnish the White House. Due to the historic significance of some of these artifacts, some will remain on permanent display at the White House. The Lincoln Bedroom is one such part of the executive residence that looks just as it did when President Lincoln passed away from an assassin's bullet in 1865, including the bed where he actually spent his final moments. However, many of the furnishings include specially commissioned art, furniture, and gifts given to previous administrations. If the president wanted to, he could sit in George Washington's chair, or the First Lady could hang a lamp that was gifted by the brother of Napoleon Bonaparte. First families can also choose to decorate the White House for political reasons. A recent example is one of the choices President Biden made when he picked a bust of civil rights leader Cesar Chavez to adorn the Oval Office. He specifically chose this bust since Chavez was a key figure of the Hispanic population. Biden said he wanted to be reminded of his leadership and example each day when he went to work. In addition to helping to pick out some of these historic furnishings, the new president and first lady also make it known their desires for any interior remodeling. Whether new rugs, carpets, paint, or whatever the case may be, the chief usher ensures the first family's requests are documented and coordinated well before Inauguration Day.